What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage, man, back at it. And today we're about to go pick up these Air Jordan 1 Black Satins, metallic silvers, whatever they're called. You know, I was gonna pass on these shoes at first, but then I was like, man, I can get it from the PX for $128. You know, the retail price now is 170 bucks. I was like, man, let me go ahead and take my ass to the PX and pick up these Black Satins for 128 bucks, man. It's not bad. And shouts out to Captain Kirk for putting the IG post up, because I did not know that the PX is gonna get these ones. But my boy told me they're supposed to be getting a whole bunch more, you know, Jordan releases this year. So, you know, now I'm gonna have to just keep going up there asking what they getting. They got the reverse guy games, they got these Black Satins, and hey, they might be getting the Black Cats. You know, everything is under retail, man. Super cheap, no tax. So 128 bucks out the door, you can't beat it. So the PX is literally right up the street from my crib, so I'm about to roll up here, see if they got my size still, because it is like 11 o'clock my time. I'm gonna get this on feed out for you guys. If you guys do not know, I already did a review over this shoe, so if you did not check it out yet, please go check it out. Today's gonna be just like a pickup vlog, and I'm gonna do on feet for you guys, of course, as always, man. And I might put the red laces in there, but honestly I'm feeling the black laces, because I don't know, I feel like the red laces make the shoe look a little too extravagant, you feel me? So I'm about to pick them up. You guys gonna see it on feet, of course, and I'm gonna show you guys where I get my shoes for under retail. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody be asking me, how you get your shoes for under retail? How you get your shoes for under retail? I dropped a video like this back when the Jordan 4 Pure Monies came out, and I was like, how to get your shoes for under retail? All you gotta do is know somebody that either work on post, somebody that's military affiliated, and you can get these shoes for under retail, man. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how much they cost. I'm telling you guys right now, 128 bucks out the door. And yeah, let's go ahead and get it. Alright guys, so just like that, we are back at the crib, man. Y'all see where I get my shoes for under retail. I showed you guys like I did 2 years ago when I picked up the Pure Money Force, man. Like I said, I got these things for 128 bucks. I don't know if this is gonna pick up, but I will show you guys in the B-roll so you can check it out, man. Oh, there you go, right there. 128 bucks, Air Jordan 1. Check it out, man. You cannot go wrong. Shouts out to the PX again for that major steal, man. So we have the shoe right here. We have the shoes right here. And the lady told me in there that somebody picked up 3-4 pair. I'm like, bruh, they not going for nothing, man. Stop trying to resell, just buy your shoes. Do what you do, man. You're not gonna make a lot of money off this shoe. It's one of those shoes that people like, am I really feeling them? And I feel like a lot of people on the fence just because of the satin material on the toe box. It's gonna crease very easily. That's what a lot of people was talking about in my review. Like I said, I'm on for you guys gonna see how they crease and stuff like that, man. Check them out. Air Jordan 1 Black Satins, man. So with all that being said, I appreciate everybody for tuning into this quick little video. I'm about to hit you guys with this dope on feet, show you guys a couple different jean variations and see how you guys are feeling them. And I'm also go through the red and the black laces for y'all, man. So I appreciate all of the support. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, please go follow me at DeVintage. It'll be linked down below. Make sure you go check out my website. The last shoes I will be selling out of my collection are on the website, DeVintageWorld.bigcartel.com. It'll be linked down below. Like I said, go buy you some shoes, man. They super cheap. Get you a lot of steals and deals, man. So all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Enjoy this on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Black Satins, man. Let's get it.